I can't speak for what the government of Kosovo will determine it wants to do here, but we have been very clear that Kosovo is a sovereign country and it gets to make its own sovereign decisions with regard to its foreign policy goals and priorities. And they've made a decision to apply for Council of Europe membership, and they've made a pretty strong case that they align with the values of the Council of Europe. As a matter of policy, the United States does support and has supported Kosovo integrating itself into European and Euro-Atlantic structures, including the Council of Europe. The United States was appreciative of the decision to agree to a one-year moratorium in the Washington commitments back in the year 2020. And it's absolutely the case that our stated recommendation to both sides was to continue the moratorium because we believe that it created greater space to facilitate the dialogue. And again, we see the dialogue not as an end in and of itself, but as the best means to realize this vision we all share of seeing Kosovo take its rightful place in European and Euro-Atlantic structures. But the government of Kosovo had a sovereign right to make a decision to apply for Council of Europe membership, and they did so.